Hello, my name is Philip, and Marta and Kevin asked me to do a video explaining you and showing you some things about Herdade da Figueirinha. Right now we are in the middle of the vineyard, and I'm going to show you our vines and how they are growing up. They are too small at the moment, but we are in the beginning. We ended the proud 2 months ago, and right now the vines are growing up. This is a Cabernet Sauvignon with 20 years old, and that produces excellent wines. Normally we harvest this variety sometimes with 16, 17 degrees of alcohol, and it's not juicy. It looks like honey, what we can extract from it. I'm going to show you. This is the reception where we receive the grapes. These are the presses when we end the process of fermentation. Excuse me about my rude English, but I'm Portuguese. Here are the tanks where we storage and we make the blends. Only for organic. Right now we are at minimum service because about the COVID. So we have most part of the people working in the teleworking. I don't know what you call in English, but here we call it teleworking. Susanna is the
Hello.
producer director. Ruth is an analyst. The lab where we make all the analysis. Sandra, other analysis.
Hello.
She's a little bit crazy, but a good girl. Some people buy Ferrari, we storage wines. Here a vision. This is 95% French oak barrels. I think he's missing some labels, but it's the end of the working week. And then another storage we have. So if Marta and Kevin works very well and you like the wine, you can send everything to Great Britain.
Good morning.
This is Jose. Jose is the
Okay.
is the responsible for the enotourism and all the visits. Right now, he's eating almonds. He's not working a lot because we have the visits closed. Jorge Rui, the head office of the manager, and the crazy. Here's my office, messy, Portuguese style. And then some of our labels. And this is some of our awards. This wine, Nanterrales, we are selling a lot right now. Because you may not understand in English, but Nanterrales, the name, it means in the Alentejo style of speaking, it means something like don't borrow. And so the slogan is don't borrow, everything is going to be alright. Nanterrales, because everything is going to be well in the near future, okay? Thank you and bye-bye. I hope you enjoy it.
Bye bye Martin, bye bye Kevin, and all your friends.